Hello and welcome to Sisberg. If you are someone in the manufacturing business and want to learn about sustainable manufacturing, this video is for you. The concept of sustainable manufacturing is highly relevant to both businesses and the environment. It is a process that involves creating manufactured goods through methods that minimize negative environmental impacts, conserve energy and natural resources, and enhance employee, community, and product safety. The benefits of sustainable manufacturing are numerous and include cost reduction, efficiency improvement, customer loyalty and satisfaction enhancement, reputation and competitiveness improvement, innovation and growth stimulation, regulatory compliance, and risk mitigation. To achieve sustainable manufacturing, businesses must use various digital and physical systems to monitor and manage their supply chain network, such as sensors, RFID tags, GPS trackers, and cloud-based platforms. These systems enable businesses to collect, analyze, and share data on the location, status, condition, and quality of their goods and components throughout the supply chain. They also enable businesses to communicate and collaborate with their supply chain partners, and to respond quickly and effectively to any issues or changes. Achieving sustainable manufacturing is not just a technical issue, but also a strategic one. It requires a clear vision, strong leadership, and a culture of collaboration within the organization and across the supply chain. It also requires a continuous improvement mindset, which means that businesses should regularly monitor, evaluate, and improve their sustainable manufacturing processes to achieve better outcomes. By adopting sustainable manufacturing practices, businesses can balance profitability and environmental responsibility while simultaneously creating new solutions and opportunities that address sustainability challenges and opportunities. Hope you found the information in this video useful for your organization. How do you practice sustainable manufacturing in your organization? Please leave a comment and we will be happy to provide feedback. Do write to us if you have questions or if there is any specific topic you want us to cover next. Thank you for watching.